Hey Justin, my name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to cover 3 things you can start doing to help bring in more customers to your business. I found that by giving people a free plan of things that they could actually do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those people putting their faith in me and saying, hey, please help me. So, if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business grow, shoot me a message back and we can set up a chat. Or, at the end of this video, you simply want to take this free plan I give you and do it all yourself. That works for me too. So let me not waste any more of your time and go over 3 things that you could start doing today to help positively impact your business. So basically, right out of the gate, I'm just going to say what I'm going to talk about today is primarily geared towards websites and designing a website as well as SEO. But I will say that posting frequently in this Facebook page is going to be pretty constant. And to make sure that you have the actual business page fully set up, I see that you don't have any of your information here, which is pretty important to have. That all being said, I simply typed in Fence Company Charleston, and we can see that right here is your top number 1 organic competitor, Carolina Fence Company, and the top of the map pack is Charleston Fence. So the first thing I always look at is content. As we can see, they only have 898 words, which really isn't that good. Google released that they want to see a minimum of 1,500 words to be completely optimized on their platform. Now, with only 900 words roughly, another thing they're missing is the quality. You want to have good quality keywords because when people type into Google, this is what will pop up is what you're being searched for. So for example, Fence Charleston, they would want to have that as much as possible. The next thing I'm going to talk about is citations. As we can see in the map pack, the top is Charleston Fence LLC. Now these are solely based on your citations. Well, not solely, but a lot of it is based on your citation work. Citations are anywhere you put your NAPs, and what NAPs are is your name, address, and phone number. So it's those submitted word for word in directories like Yellow Book, White Book, Yex, City Star, BBB, so on and so forth. As you can see, they only have 16. For my clients, I always recommend a minimum of 100 just to smash any competition there is. Now the third and most important thing we're going to talk about is backlinking and link juice. Now we can see here the Carolina Fence Company has 619 backlinks, 206 organic keywords, and 85 referring domains, driving 385 clicks a month. Now, why does this matter? Well, simply put, to get to the top of Google and to get those 385 clicks a month, it's going to drive in the value. You're going to need to actually go out and get backlinks. So what is a backlink? Well, it works like this. Site A points to Site B. Therefore, Site A is acting like link juice via backlink, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. It's basically a popularity contest. Now this is the most important because Google views this as the most relevant reason to bring you to the top of their page. In closing, we discussed 3 things. Content. You want to have at least 1,500 words on a homepage or a website. 2, we talked about citations and having a minimum of 100 to beat out your competition, who have 16. Thirdly, and most importantly, we talked about link juice and backlinking, and how you need the most relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you're the authority. Now, if you implement these strategies today and get a website built, you could be number 1 across Google in no time. So what now? Well, like I said earlier, you can take all this information in this plan I gave you and do it all yourself, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you.